Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. If you're new, my name is Monalisha. I am a stay-at-home mom of a 2.5-year-old toddler son. I make videos on motherhood, lifestyle and organization. If you like my content, then I would love to have you subscribe to my channel and enjoy them. So today I will talk about homeschooling. My experience on homeschooling my almost 3 years old son, as we are currently doing homeschooling to him. Homeschooling is your personal decision, like why you want to do homeschooling. But considering the current situation of pandemic, we all are worried about our kids and their school. So homeschooling would be a good decision for you now. But for me, I want to homeschool my kid because I want my kid to enjoy learning. I want him to learn at his own pace. I want to teach him according to his interest till he enters a big school. What shape is this? Hexagon. What shape is this? The good thing about homeschooling in India is that you don't need to register your kid. Homeschooling in India is not regulated by any authority. Now, if you are planning to do homeschooling for longer time, then for your kid's certification, you may opt either the IGCSE or NIOS board, whichever is applicable to you. For detail, you may check them online. So, moving to my experience on homeschooling my kid and how we are doing with him. Majority of our learning tends to come from books, some DIY worksheets, some fun learning activity kits, online resources and some practical learning, which is the most important of all. Practically speaking, kids at this tiny age doesn't need homeschool. They just need parenting. You are the educator of your child. Homeschooling is all about educating your child in your own. Educating a 3-year-old kid is all about fun and games. Don't expect your kid to sit in one place. They will learn through playing. That's what we are doing. We are creating an environment and providing opportunities for him to explore the nature. Kids are born with curiosity and desire to learn. We are trying to make him learn to embrace the sustainable living, like growing garden, the soil, watering the plants, then the insects crawling on the soil, and everything is not wasted in nature. We are trying to make him learn that nature has given us so many things that we should embrace and admire. Second thing, we are teaching him good manners. Children watch, observe and try. Everything we do, they just mimic. The speech we speak, they mimic. So we are educating ourselves first, that will automatically pass on to him. We are teaching him how to ask politely, when to say please, when to say sorry, when to thank someone and all. Every time he says these words, we used to praise him, like you did a good job. Now whenever he uses these words, he used to say, good job mama, good job papa. He just mimic us. We are also teaching him table manners, like eating on his high chair, not to throw foods, then always use your bibs or napkins, etc. Next, we are teaching him personal hygiene, like washing your hands before and after eating food, then brushing your teeth daily, why brushing is important, taking baths daily, wearing clean clothes daily, etc. We are trying to make his learning easier with his daily life and activities. Everything he does on his daily basis, we try to make him understand. Next, my son is learning through play. I don't expect much from a 2.5-year-old son of mine that he will memorize all the numbers, he will memorize all the alphabets and all the phonic sound and all. Even if he recognizes the letters or the numbers, that's enough for me. With time he will learn. I don't want to pressurize him at this tiny age. I invested on some board cutouts, or you can say puzzles, that actually keep him engaged while playing around. Yes, great. Yes, very good. Korisane. Out. Yes. Banana na to yan. Very good. Very good. Tomato, okay. I try to teach him the shapes with our daily things, like the shape of the bowl, the vessels, plates, etc. and the shapes that nature has bestowed us, like moon, stars, etc. that surrounds us in our daily life. এই তো কোয়া ভালকে কয় তো হ্যাঁ কেমনে রেক্টেঙ্গল itu triangle baru itu itu কি shape? What shape is this? Round and round? কি হয় round and round? Ado, what shape is this?
Pentagon.
Pentagon. Oh, and this?
Hexagon.
Circle. Also, I have invested on some monthly subscription box where many activities are there, where he can learn through play, like identifying objects, sorting out different shapes, and many. My son loves them. He loves to explore them. I will give the link of the website from where I have purchased this subscription box in the description box below. You can check it out. Last thing we are doing is role play or pretend play. Role play is a great way for children to make sense of the world around them. They get self-motivated, imaginative and independent. They even invent sometimes their own rules. Role play makes a child understand the real life situations. We are emphasizing more on role plays with our son because it helped him to be more social. He is learning different cultures through role plays. Watching him pretend is one of my greatest joys as a mom. I'm constantly amazed by his imagination, creativity and the stories he invents. Like in this video, I pretend to fell down and got hurt. So he brings an ambulance to rescue me. He does know that much that ambulance is used when someone gets hurt. Even he mimics me sometimes, like cooking vegetables on the gas stove and feeding me. So guys, this is my journey of homeschooling my kid. I hope many parents find it helpful. If you like my today's video, then click the like button and do share this video with family and your friends. So that's all for today. See you in my next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.